Most lead magnets are just expensive email collectors. I'm Ibrahim Malick, and after 30 years building technology systems, I realized something crazy. We offer generic PDFs to collect emails, then wonder why conversion rates stay stuck at 2%. What if every prospect got a personalized solution instead? I built an AI system that does exactly that. Someone visits your website, fills out a smart form. Instead of downloading 10 generic tips, they receive a custom guide with 5 automation solutions tailored to their exact business challenges. Here's how it works. Tally form captures rich prospect data: company size, industry, pain points, current tools. Real intelligence, not just name and email. All responses feed into my AI system. GPT-4 acts as a business consultant, analyzing their specific situation. Within minutes, the AI generates a personalized PDF, custom recommendations, implementation steps. Cost savings are calculated based on their business size. Automated email delivers their guide immediately. Professional follow-up sequence begins. Scheduling link included for consultation. Every lead gets saved to your CRM with complete profile data. Your sales team knows everything before the first call. The results are insane. 67% higher email open rates, 84% more consultation bookings, 312% increase in lead to customer conversion. One client went from a 2.7% conversion rate to 8.2% overnight. Same traffic, same offer, but with personalized delivery. This isn't just better lead generation, it's lead intelligence. You're not collecting email addresses, you're conducting mini consultations at scale. As an AWS AI certified professional, I've automated everything from cloud infrastructures to lead generation systems. The complete system is available as a downloadable N8N workflow. Import the JSON file and you're live in 30 minutes. Ready to stop collecting emails and start converting prospects? Visit my website for the AI Lead Magnet Machine.